Two defendants, two vastly different realities. One tries to buy her way out of trouble with a fat checkbook, while the other begs for mercy with empty pockets. First, we meet Yadi Yadav. She is asking for early release from probation, acting like writing a check will erase her bad behavior. Then, the courtroom doors swing open for Mercedes Minnifield. She is a struggling mother of 4 who has been skipping her probation check-ins, claiming a lack of daycare and transportation makes it impossible to follow the rules. Both women are looking for the easy way out. Watch closely. You are about to see a blistering judicial smackdown on a wealthy defendant who thinks she is above the law, and witness the exact moment a no-nonsense judge forces a tearful mother to finally take accountability for her own life.
State of Ohio versus Mercedes Minnifield. You're Miss Minnifield, is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and Mr. View is here from the prosecutor's office, Officer Rose from probation. We're here today on a status conference. Ms. Minnifield, I'm obviously not Judge Oda. I am standing in for him today. I've met with Officer Rose, and she's kind of gotten me up to speed on the status of your restitution payments and some of the other issues going on. So what's going on from your perspective?
The reason why I haven't been coming on time and rescheduling is because I got a job at Texas Roadhouse, which I live in Hamilton. I don't have a car.
Okay.
I was just working 5 minutes away at Starvin Marvin, but I don't work there no more. And that was really the reason why I haven't been coming. And I have been paying the $50 a month though. Even if I miss a month, I come and pay the $100 at a time. So I just don't want to go to jail. I just had a baby 3 months ago. I have been trying. I just got this job at Texas Roadhouse that don't have a background check. If I go to jail, I'm gonna lose my job. It was so hard to find that job. I've been working for Starvin Marvin. They wasn't even paying me. I was just working for tips. I am trying to get my life together. I don't go into stores no more. I'm trying. I'm doing the best that I can.
What's your support at home? Do you have folks,
I really
your family
don't.
that help you?
Nobody, honestly.
Okay.
I had my grandma and grandpa, but my grandpa just died. My grandma was bringing me up here, but she just losing her mind. So it's just I don't really have nobody. My mom sucks. My sisters are iffy. It's just me. My boyfriend's in jail, prison. I am trying though.
Sounds like you got a lot going on.
Yeah. I'm just trying to make a way for my kids. I got 4 kids.
Well, it sounds like you have some positives that you're doing right now. You got a job, so that's good. We got to keep making some payments. Officer Rose tells me you made a payment today. That's good. Let's keep chipping away at the restitution. My suggestion is you try to formulate some sort of support system. How many kids do you have?
4.
You're going to need help with them, right? So you need to get a support system going on for you.
Yeah.
Because being a parent's tough, and you're going to have to rely on some people for help at some time so you can keep your job and you can keep working.
Yeah.
So,
And they are in daycare. I get daycare vouchers, and I told her the pipes busted there, and I told her I would give her the daycare's number because they closed for 2 weeks, and that's really why I couldn't come up here when she said come on Thursday, Friday, or Monday, and I even called her, but I guess she wasn't in the office, so I called the supervisor and I left her a message just to let her know the daycare was closed. I'm not showing up because I just don't want to show up.
Sure.
I'm coming when I can come, when I can get a ride. I have to pay people to get rides, or I would have paid more. It's a mess. It costs $52 to get an Uber here. So that's why I try to get rides from other people. That's $104 just to get here and back. I can't pay that. I don't even be having that half the time.
Right. Well, why don't you stay in touch with Officer Rose? I'm sure she has some recommendations for you, and maybe some discussion to have with you about some support.
Yes.
And things like that. She has good advice, so I suggest that you try to follow it if you're able to.
Yeah.
But let's get this restitution going. Make sure you keep that job. I'm, relay to Judge Oda that you got the job. That's going to be a good thing.
Yeah.
How much did you pay today?
$150. And last time I was here, I paid $100.
Yep. All right. I'm gonna make a note that you paid. Anything, Mr. V, on behalf of the state?
No, Your Honor.
Anything further, Officer Rose?
No, Your Honor.
All right. We're gonna set this for another review in a couple months or so, and we'll see you then.
Okay, thank you.
Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
This is case number 25CR42355, the State of Ohio versus Yadi Yadav.
Yes,
Ms. Yadav is before the court at the request of probation to terminate her supervision early. Ms. Yadav, are you still on supervision in Mason?
No,
You on supervision anywhere else right now?
no, no, Your Honor.
And it's been, what, a year, Officer West?
Yes, her 1 year was on May 21st.
Has the victim been notified?
We have received no input from the victim, and it's my understanding restitution was paid.
But there are still costs owed.
Correct, yes. There is, I believe it's $321 remaining in clerk fees.
Well, it looks like it should be more than that if restitution, if the total's $35.68 and the
You are
paid to
correct.
date is $28.87, that seems to me like it's more than $300.
You are correct, but according to her statement of, oh, no, I apologize.
360.
There's a $360 supervision fee as
It's
well.
$681.
681 even?
That's what it appears. $360 in supervision fees and $321 to the clerk.
Ms. Yadav, can you pay that right now?
Yes.
All right, go down to the clerk's office and pay it off. Bring me the receipt, please.
Okay. Should I go now?
Yes.
Thank you.
All right, we're back on the record with the State of Ohio versus Ms. Yadav. All right, I've been handed a receipt here that the remaining costs have been paid. Ms. Yadav, I sat through a hearing a little bit ago, and I'm just going to give you my honest impressions. I'm going to grant the request and terminate your supervision today, but I'm going to caution you, you'd better not ever appear in my court again on a theft charge, because if you haven't dealt with whatever issues you're dealing with, you have money, you shouldn't be stealing from anybody anyway. Nobody should be stealing from other people. But for you to sit up here at this hearing of last month and to sit there and say that you weren't told this and you weren't told that, I found your testimony to be incredulous. It was just unbelievable that you were even making those statements. I don't know if you feel like you're entitled or what, but you're not going to do it in my county. Do we understand each other? Do not come back in my court because you will not get the same courtesy that you got this time. All right, our request is granted. Your termination is, or your supervision is terminated, and the case will be dismissed. That's all.
Two different worlds, one justice system. Yachti Yadav paid her way to freedom, but caught a blistering, well-deserved scolding on her way out the door. Meanwhile, Mercedes Minnifield managed to secure a second chance to get her life on track. Justice isn't just about reading the letter of the law, it's about judging the character of the accused. Arrogance and entitlement will only get you a harsh reality check. True respect in a courtroom is earned through hard work and taking absolute accountability. What do you think? Did Judge Tepe let the first defendant off too easy just because she had cash? And did the second judge strike the right balance of compassion and law? Sound off in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life justice.